Hello everyone. This month we're all about communication. So how about we go over Infinite Campus's Classroom Messenger? First we'll start by selecting a new message. When you log in, you'll usually start on the Message Center. So you'll find the New button here. If you don't have a calendar selected, the new message will warn you about this until you select one. From here you'll select what type of message you're sending out. For this video, we'll be focusing on class messages. In this window, you'll be able to select your delivery options. This chart here gives a breakdown on all of them, so if you're interested, feel free to pause the video and give them a look over. From here you'll be able to enter your subject, message, and attachments. This interface is a lot like writing a standard email. The second step of sending a message is selecting which students and/or messenger contacts to include. Class messages can be sent to multiple selections at a time, either to the entire selection or specific individuals. Here you can choose an option and select the sections to include from the list of your selections, divided by term. To choose specifics, mark that option to view a list. You can add sorted by student messenger contacts or students from the selected section. Others can be added from either or both lists. Select additional selections if desired. The final step of creating and sending a message is to review recipients and send the message. And there you go. Classroom Messenger is another great tool to help with communication in a district, and a valuable one to keep in mind. See you next time.